I'm gonna show you how to make the best KFC Zinger Burger. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making KFC Zinger Burger. It will consist of a fiery Zinger fillet burger topped with a hash brown, cheese and a spicy Zinger sauce. I'm gonna serve the Zinger Burger with chili curly fries. Trust me, you're all gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, let's start by marinating our chicken fillets. I'm using a large breast straight that was sliced in the middle, and it has been pounded down to even out the shape. If you don't know how to do this, then obviously check out one of my previous videos. I don't want to repeat everything, you understand? And with a good splash of Tabasco in there, red chili powder, and finally a good touch of salt. Using your hands, give this a really good mix. Now leave this in the fridge to rest while we prep our other ingredients. Now for our dredge or flour, mix in with a plain flour. For the spices, I'm using an onion and garlic powder, red chili, salt, some of the MSG, white pepper, black pepper, mixed herb, smoked paprika, celery salt, and mustard powder. We need to season the flour properly, alright. Set aside. For our KFC Zinger sauce in with the mayonnaise, a good splash of Tabasco in there, touch of this chipotle paste, adds a bit of smoky flavor to this. Some of the black and white pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic and onion powder, and with some sugar so we can balance the flavors, pickle juice with some of the vinegar. If you want, you can also throw in some of the ketchup into that. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Our mouth-watering Zinger sauce.
Sonic boom!
Done. For our chili curly fries, of course, we're gonna start by making our chili. Here I've got our beef mince, some of the kidney beans, tomatoes, jalapenos, onions, chopped garlic, some of the beef stock here. And for the spices, we're using a cumin, smoked paprika, salt, red chili, and some of the black pepper. This is a quick chili recipe, so we don't want to make it too complicated. Grab yourself a pan, turn up the heat to on medium, and with a good touch of oil. One nice and hot in with your beef mince. You want to cook and brown the beef, alright? Just gonna get a nice sear from both sides. This will ensure the beef brown evenly. Alright, let's mix this. That's exactly what we're looking for. Can you see those brown bits? That's where the flavor is. Now going with our onions and garlic. Make sure to break down any large pieces of beef, alright? Now really good mix to that, and you want to saute that onion and garlic. Make sure to keep mixing it. Nothing should stick to the pan at this point, alright? Now going with our tomatoes and jalapenos. And our spices. Some of the fresh thyme. A really good mix to that. Cook the rawness of those spices and soften down those tomatoes. Just give a few minutes, alright? A quick chili, you know, it's gonna be so delicious. So good with our curly fries as well. Mouth watering. Gonna go in with our kidney beans, and now we can deglaze with some beef stock. A knob of salted butter. A really good mix to that. Deglaze this properly and make sure nothing is sticking to the pan, alright? Turn the heat to low at this point. Like I always say, it's best to leave it covered. Alright guys, let's check that this should be done by now. Just turn off the heat. A really good mix to that. So it's beautifully reduced. I'm just gonna get rid of this thyme. So, you know, it's nice and runny. It's not too dry. At this point of time, you can have a little bit of taste and adjust anything if you need to, alright? That's perfect. Our mouth-watering chili done. Alright, now let's coat the chicken. Grab your seasoned flour. Chicken, you need to remove it from the fridge at least 20 minutes before you start cooking. Also, I've got here some of the cold tap water. This is the perfect time to heat up the oil. Bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius, and you want to maintain that temperature. The heat is on medium high. First of all, the chicken goes into the seasoned flour. And now the chicken goes into the water. We're gonna leave it there for a few seconds. We just want to wet that flour. Now slowly remove the chicken. Now this goes back into the flour. Again, a good mix to that. Now using your hands, you want to coat this properly. Trust me, one of the best KFC Zinger Burger that you guys gonna try. Make sure to press onto the flour and coat it properly. Now shake off the excess. This is exactly what we're looking for. Hold it there for a few seconds and let it go. We're going to let this cook for around 7 to 8 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. Honestly, you haven't tried KFC Zinger Burger like this before. Alright, so the chicken is ready now. Let's remove it. We've got a beautiful, nice golden brown color. That's exactly what we're looking for. Make sure to drain off the excess oil. Beautiful, nice and crispy. And now in the same oil, we can fry our hash browns. Alright, so these are nice and golden brown. Let's remove them. Once you have removed them, season with a light pinch of salt. Let's assemble our burger now. Grab your toasted bun, add some of our zinger sauce, good old lettuce, our mouth-watering crispy chicken fillet, and a slice of American cheese, and make sure to melt that cheese. Now our crispy hash browns goes on the top. Now feel free to add some pickles if you like. And finally our top of the bun with some more sauce. And with our crispy curly fries, season it generously. Go in with our amazing cheese sauce. Now a generous portion of our delicious chili. Oh, that looks so good. I also like some of the onions, jalapenos, some of our sauce, and finally garnish with some of the spring onion greens. Our mouth-watering chili fries, done. You guys gonna really enjoy these. Serving it with our amazing chili curly fries and some of our leftover sauce. Our mouth-watering KFC Zinger Burger, done. That looks so delicious. You guys gonna really enjoy this. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so mouth-watering. Let's try our chili curly fries first. Oh, they look so good. Bismillah. Wow. So mouth-watering. I promise you these are one of the best fries ever. So mouth-watering. The chili is cooked to perfection. I promise you haven't tried fries like this before. These are packed with so much flavor. Alright, let's not waste our time onto our KFC Zinger Burger. Alright, Bismillah. Wow. Oh, that is just so mouth-watering. The Zinger fillet has a slight kick to it. That's exactly what we were looking for. The sauce, the fillet, the hash brown, everything goes very well together. And the beautiful lettuce. Oh my god, it's just like icing on the cake. You can see it's still nice and crispy. It is so tasty, guys. Oh, the KFC burger was so delicious. You guys gonna really enjoy with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.